Hello student. Today we will learn the topic medical termination of pregnancy, MTP Act 1971, which has been amended in 2002 of subject pharmaceutical jurisprudence. Now we'll define MTP. How will define MTP? Medical termination of pregnancy. Medical termination of pregnancy is deliberate termination of pregnancy. It is a deliberate termination of pregnancy before the period of viability is also called induced abortion. Though MTP Act 1971 induced abortions in India, in MTP Act 1971, the induced abortion in India has become legalized. So the induced abortion in India become legalized, and the act has been made in 1971, and that act is being called Medical Termination Act. We all know by making the act, the objective of making that process legalized and in a controlled and in an observed manner. So the objective of MTP Act is also it aims to improve the maternal health scenario by preventing large number of unsafe abortions. So the main objective of MTP Act made to make MTP Act were to take care of the maternal health scenario and consequent high incidence of maternal mortality. We all are aware that unplanned abortions, unsafe abortions is very much causing maternal death. So by making this act, by making the termination of pregnancy legalized, so these things has been controlled, maternal mortality and morbidity. Also, by making this act, establishing this act, the abortion services has been made legal. It promotes access to safe abortion services to women. It offers protection to medical practitioners who otherwise would be penalized under the Indian Penal Code section 315 and 316. If any doctor is not registered for this work and is performing this duty, then he and she can be penalized under the section 315 and 316. So that is why it has been made legal. Once this act has been made, the legal framework has been done, which laid down when and where pregnancies can be terminated, which also made clear about the grants to the central government, power to make rules, and the grant state government to frame the regulations. The rules MTP laid down, like who can terminate the pregnancy, which kind of training should be required, approval process for the place where this termination of pregnancy can be performed, what should be the criteria. These all things has been laid down under the rules, and regulations were laid down by preparing the forms of opinion, maintenance of records, and custody of forms and reporting of cases, like how many cases, what was the situation, what is the reason of termination of pregnancy, whether it has taken by the consent has been taken by the woman or her guardian or not. So these all kind of records were made compulsory under the MTP Act regulation. Now, what are called legal abortions? The abortions are termed legal only when all the following conditions are met. Termination of pregnancy done by a medical practitioner who are approved by the Act. Termination done at the place where under the place is approved by the Act. Termination done for conditions and within the gestation prescribed by the Act. Other requirements of the rules and regulations are also compiled with under the legal abortions clause. The MTP Act made in 1971, which has been amended in 2002. And few changes has been made in 2002, like legal abortions we'll talk about. Then precisely it is defined like termination done for conditions and within the gestation prescribed by Act with the consent of women. Now here in 2002, it has made compulsory that the consent form is to be signed by women or maybe guardian in case woman is minor. Termination done by a medical practitioner approved by the Act. Termination done at a place approved under the Act. Other requirements of the rules and regulations with the Act are also combined. Now in 2002, it has been made clear that when pregnancy can be terminated. So what should be the gestational age? So earlier it was 12 and then later it has made up to 20 weeks of gestation with the consent of a woman. If the woman is below 18, minor or is mentally ill, then the consent is to be signed by her guardian. The opinion of RMP has been formed in good faith under certain circumstances also. Opinion of two RMPs required for the termination of pregnancy between pregnancy of 12 to 20 weeks. Like indications when, how, somebody would apply for the risk of, in which case somebody may apply, go for the MTP and it would be called legal abortion. In case the risk to the life or grave injury to the physical or mental health of woman is there. In case substantial risk of physical or mental abnormalities in the fetus is observed. If pregnancy is caused by rape. So presumed grave injury to mental health of women is the biggest consideration here in doing medical termination of pregnancy. Contraceptive failure in married couple. Again, it is considered that presumed grave injury to mental health of woman must be there. So in that case also it can be done under the MTP Act. MTP Act, what says regarding the place where it can be conducted? A hospital established or maintained by government or maybe a place approved for the purpose of this act by a district level committee constituted by the government with the chief medical health officer as a chairperson. MTP Act, which is amended in 2002, has added few more descriptions into it. It decentralizes site registration to a 3 to 5 member district level committee chaired by the CMO, Chief Medical Officer, or maybe District Health Officer. Approval of site that can be performed MTPs under the Act can now be done at the district level. More stricter penalties for MTPs being done in an unapproved site or by a person not permitted by the Act has been mentioned. Now, for medical abortions using mifepristone and misoprostol, this is the steroid which induced abortion, is approved for up to 7 weeks of termination only. Only in registered medical practitioners, as defined by the MTP Act, can prescribe these drugs. Has to follow MTP Act rules and regulations all completely. Can prescribe in her clinic provided she has access to an approved place. If the doctor who is prescribing this medicine, if he should not have his own under his own approved site, then he should have access or tie up with the centers which is approved for this work by the government. He should display a certificate from owner of approved place agreeing to provide access. Means if he is having some tie up with some hospital, then one certificate from that hospital is required to be displayed in his clinic that in case MTP performance of MTP is required. In that case, the particular hospital is giving authority to this particular doctor, practitioner, that he and she can go to that hospital to avail the facility as an approved center. Implications of amendments. It simplifies registration of site, which can be done at district level now. In 2002, these are the indications which has made a little bit easier than earlier one. The providers can get their site approved for providing abortions under the MTP Act for first trimester only or up to 20 weeks and thereby come under the protective cover of MTP Acts. Offers potential to increase number of approved sites, which would enable women to access safe abortion services because now the centers are more. Effective implementation will help to bring all abortions within legal framework. So MTP rules, what do they cover? They cover under the acts and rules, they cover experience and training required for providers, approval of a place for terminating pregnancy under the act, composition and tenure of district level committee, inspection, cancellation or suspension of approval can be reviewed, and consent form can be validated. Now, under the MTP rules, who can perform this work, that the induced abortion, who can perform, which practitioner is eligible? A medical practitioner, a registered medical practitioner who has a recognized medical qualifications as defined in clause H of section 2 of Indian Medical Council Act 1956, whose name has been entered in a state medical register, who has such experience or training in gynecology and obstetrics as prescribed by rules made under the Act, who is having experience in the practice of gynecology and obstetrics for a period of not less than 3 years, completed 6 months of house surgery in gynecology and obstetrics, or may be assisted a registered medical practitioner in the performance of at least 25 cases of medical termination of pregnancy in a hospital established or maintained or a training institute approved for this purpose by the government. If somebody, some doctors is having this much of all eligibility fit, then he or she can get the license or maybe the approval for performing medical termination of pregnancy. Which kind of trainings is required and how training is of two types. Now, first training, the termination up to 12 weeks, and the second training is in case the termination is to be performed by the doctor in case of pregnancies of up to 20 weeks. So a practitioner who has assisted a registered medical practitioner in performing 25 cases of MTP, of which at least 5 were performed independently in a hospital established or maintained or a training institute approved for this purpose by the government. For termination up to 20 weeks, a practitioner who holds a postgraduate degree or diploma in obstetrics and gynecology, a practitioner who has completed 6 months house job in obstetrics and gynecology, a practitioner who has at least 1 year experience in practice of obstetrics and gynecology at a hospital which has all facilities, a practitioner registered in a state medical register immediately before commencement of the Act, experience in practice of obstetrics and gynecology for a period not less than 3 years. Approval of a place by trimester and approval of a place on the basis of performance of medical termination of pregnancy, consideration of trimester, on which trimester it is going to be performed. This site has been split into is one kind of site where the MTP is going to be performed in case of the pregnancy is of 12 weeks, means first trimester, and another site is type of site where the performance of medical termination of pregnancy is going to be done for the case up to 20 weeks of pregnancy. So in case of first trimester termination of pregnancy, the gynecological examination labor table is to be evaluated. That site should have gynecological examination and labor table in their premises in the OT room. The sterilization equipment should be there. The drugs and parental fluids adequate should be there. Backup facility for the treatment of shock is to be established in case patient is going into shock during the performance of medical termination. Then the backup facilities should be there, and the facility for transportation of in case the patient is getting sick and needs more advanced treatment, then the transportation facility should be there to ship that patient immediately to the bigger hospital. And in case the site approval of site for the termination of pregnancy up to 20 weeks, what are the requirements? Including these all 5 points, including this all requirements up to 12 weeks plus, including all 5, these are the points to be validated. Operation table and instruments for performing abdominal and gynecological surgery. In case the pregnancy is up to 20 weeks, then surgical department must be there. Anesthetic equipments, resuscitation equipments, and sterilization equipment must be there. The drugs, parental fluids notified for emergency use, notified by Government of India from time to time must be available there. So these are the differentiation of approval of site. First is the site where the performance of MTP can be done for the pregnancy up to 12 weeks, and the site where the pregnancy of can be the termination of pregnancy can be done in case of pregnancy is up to 20 weeks. Now this is the regulatory body of District Licensing Committee. The district level MTP committee is what? Is a minimum of 3 and maximum of 5 members, including chairperson of chief medical health officer. Composition of the committee can be done by adding 1 medical person from gynae, surgeon, and anesthetist, 1 member from local medical profession, NGO and Panchayati Raj institution of the district also. At least 1 member shall be a woman, and tenure of this committee should be up to calendar years. NGO members shall not have more than 2 terms, means 4 years. NGO member cannot serve more than 4 years in the committee. What are the approval process? Steps are required. The approval process, first of all, the application in Form A to be addressed to CMHO, means Chief Medical Health Officer. By place seeking approval, Chief Medical Health Officer verifies that forms, and he will inspect the place to satisfy that termination can be done under safe and hygiene conditions or not. If Chief Medical Health Officer recommends approval to the committee, if he will forwarding the his approval to the committee, then committee will consider application and recommendation and approve and issue certificate of approval in the Form B. The conditions like place to be inspected within 2 months of receiving of application, the certificates to be issued within 2 months of inspection, and in case of deficiency found within 2 months of having deficiency rectified, the certificate of approval to be issued to the owner. The inspection is to be carried out by the Chief Medical Health Officers to inspect to ensure safe and hygiene condition for the conduction of MTPs, with the list of the things which we learned in the previous slide, like 2 trimesters, the conditions of trimester up to 12 months pregnancy, and the pregnancy of up to 20 weeks. So those all things to be adhered by the owners. Call for information and seize in case found otherwise. That the Chief Medical Health Officers is having the authority to cancel and to seize and to keep that approval on hold in case if he is finding anything not appropriate. Chief Medical Health Officer to report, and these things he will report to the committee for unsafe and unhygienic conditions, and then committee can suspend or cancel approval after giving the owner an opportunity for the representation of the matter. In case Chief Medical Health Officer is reporting any sort of fraud, any sort of inadequacy, or any sort of deficiency in the for the place for conduction of medical termination of pregnancy, he can write to the committee for appropriate action, and a committee can suspend the order of approval and can ask owner for the representation of facts. Owner can reapply to the committee after making additions and improvements from his side. During suspension, the place be deemed as non-approved. During this process, though it is for 2 months only for reapplication and for getting the approval, but those 2 months, that site will be as same as non-approved site for performing the MTPs cases. Thank you. I hope you all have learned the adequate information regarding Medical Termination Act. Thank you.